Hi guys.
Hello guys. Just came from church.
We're gonna take you to a Chinese buffet. They call it
Royal Buffet.
Royal Buffet.
It's located in
It's in Schaumburg, so I'll take you there.
it's
Hoffman State.
Hoffman Estates located.
Yeah, they're right next to each other, so I didn't even know that's Hoffman Estate.
Welcome to our channel,
Welcome to our channel,
YouTube.
the Kit Kat Food and Travel and more. So
Yeah. Abangan nyo guys ang mga videos namin na i-upload. It's exciting and yeah, it's touring around Chicago, Illinois. Okay guys.
guys, it's already 6:14, but look at that, we still have sun.
Yeah. Hi
Here's
Sky.
Sky. So it's only like me, Papa Doy, and baby Sky.
Yeah.
So okay.
Tomorrow, another adventure.
Yeah.
Okay, we will take you there.
Alright guys, now we're going
To Hoffman
to
Estates.
Hoffman Estate.
Guys, gutom na kami guys.
Kasi gugutom ko naman kasi I took medication. I still have a little bit cough.
And guys, it's
This is
first
our
time.
neighborhood.
Yeah, again, this is our neighborhood. Yeah, we already showed it to our first video. First time guys din ni Kathy na mag dine in doon.
Yeah, nagpunta kami sa ibang Royal Buffet, yung doon sa malapit sa bahay ng parents ko. Right now, I haven't been there in Hoffman Estate, which is right next to Schaumburg. Yeah, it's a buffet, so we have to pay. I don't know how much it is for the dinner. So we'll see
Yeah.
how it goes. Yeah, now we're in Smith, and then we're going to turn right to
Northwest.
Highway. It's a state road lang. Mababak road lang kami.
Guys, this is Palatine, lugar namin.
And
Once again, it's in Chicago, Illinois, Palatine. It's a suburb para sa information sa iba na hindi pa na kakaalam.
oh, it's too bright talaga.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay guys, this is the road that we're taking in. It's a Northwest Highway.
yeah, 6:16 kasi malapit na kasing mag-summer.
Yeah.
Hindi pa kami nag-springtime, but malapit na mag-springtime. Basta pag ganito,
Yeah, we're already springtime, I think.
I don't think so.
It's still
Springtime is like between like April 14. You know, April, sometimes we have snow. Look at that, it's still too bright in our face.
yan. Alas 6 na ng gabi guys, pero mataas pa ang araw.
Sa Pilipinas, mga 5:30, wala na. Ano na talaga.
Sunset na guys.
Sunset na yan. You cannot go anywhere.
Yeah, especially if you're in Dipolog City at you're in
See, you can see the sun. It's
Sunset
so shiny.
Boulevard guys. I mean Dipolog City Boulevard.
Oh,
Yeah.
ito ang mga ano namin, mga roads.
Yeah. Ang lalaki ng roads dito guys.
I have to hide my face. It's still very bright in the sun. Did you forget Sky's shoes?
It's there.
Still red, so now we're going to turn left
to
So, this is Quinton Road. We're going south. Kasi nasa south namin yung ano, ng,
mm,
yung Hoffman Estate.
south portion. Southwest. Southwest, guys. Alam niyo guys, dito sa Chicago, preserve talaga nila yung mga ano guys, yung mga may portion sila dito na lahat ano lang, puro woods lang talaga, yung mga malalaking
forest-
kahoy, mga
Forest preservation.
yeah, yung mga malalaking mga talahib guys, pinipreserve nila. Bawal kang magpunta doon kasi forest preserve or nilalagyan nila ng mga bakod. Yeah.
Careful, someone is turning right.
Yeah, I know.
See? Oh, no.
Ito guys, ito yung mga neighboring ano guys, mga neighboring streets namin. Yeah. Mga malalapit din ito na mga portion kung sa atin pa ito mga barangay. Yeah. Pero Palatine pa rin ito. Yeah. This is still Palatine. We're taking up Quinton Road. Tapos we're going to turn right. Liko tayo sa kanan. We're going to take Palatine Road. Yeah. Malapit lang talaga guys. Alam niyo guys, pag summer talaga guys, yung ano, for example, when it's already April, May or June, alam niyo guys, hanggang 8 o'clock ng gabi may sun pa rin.
Oh, we're turning right in Palatine Road.
Yeah. Okay guys, this is Palatine Road. Pero guys, hindi na ito Palatine guys. This is another place. It's called Inverness. Yeah guys, dito sa Inverness guys, ang lalaki ng mga bahay talaga guys, pang mayamanin talaga. Napakalaki. Ay nako. Yeah. Okay guys, we're going to turn left. Iliko tayo sa kaliwa. This is Russell Road. Yeah. Ito guys, it's Inverness already. Malapit lang talaga guys sa Palatine. Yeah. Napakaganda talaga guys sa Palatine kasi maraming mga ano guys, maraming mga malalapit lang na mga cities dito sa Chicago na malapit lang talaga sa amin. Ito guys, sa kanan in my right portion, ang lalaki ng mga bahay guys. Yan. Mga residents po yan. Ayan guys, oh, mga state house yan guys.
State.
Yeah, estate.
State na malalaki.
Yeah. Dagko kayong balay guys. Gabuntaog sa kadako. It's very very expensive.
Amo po kay nagbuntaog sa kagamay.
Yeah, as long as we have a house here
Bahay
in,
kubo.
in America. Kasi alam niyo guys, mahal talaga dito sa Amerika. Ay, lang ipataas. Alam niyo dito na, dahil yun. Hmm. Alam niyo guys, meron kaming particular na house dito na gusto namin ni CJ, yung eldest ko. Dun sa dulo, may nagustuhan kami na dream house namin. Napakaganda talaga guys. Bagong ano pa yun, bagong natapos na house. And guys, andyan na, you can see on the side na mga malalaki talaga. Ayun guys, may mga mansion talaga guys. Ito na guys, yung favorite namin na house ni CJ. Yeah. Ito. Yan. Napakaganda guys. Ang lalaki talaga, may swimming pool pa yan sa kabilang side, malapit sa lake.
Maraming mayaman dito.
Yeah. This is Inverness guys, ang pangalan ng city. Inverness.
Yun sa kabila, sa left side, Harper College.
Oh guys, this is the
Alma
ano to
mater.
guys, oh,
This is
yung
alma mater.
alma mater ni Mamukat guys, Harper College. Dito din nag-aaral si CJ. She's taking up accountancy.
Look
Yeah.
at that one. That's my school, my college.
This is very popular college school guys.
Oh, look at
Harper.
that.
Yeah.
Nasa gated community.
Last year guys, nandito si President Joe Biden. Nagpunta siya dito sa Harper College. She's meeting up some the administrator here in Palatine. I mean in Harper College. Yeah. Napakaraming mga place. Okay guys, we're still taking up Roselle Road. Yeah. Malapit na tayo sa ating destination guys.
Separate na lang na ako with upload, no?
Yeah.
Kani og dito ta sa kaning kuan. Guys, we're going to pass the I-90 expressway guys. So guys, okay, this is it. This is the I-90 going to Rockford yan guys. You know where's the real buffet?
Yeah, I know.
Because I did not look the
Yeah, it's across
address.
in TJ Maxx.
Oh, yeah.
Forgot it?
Store.
Just looking all around. Okay guys, this is already Hoffman Estates. It's another city guys. Hoffman Estates ang pangalan niya. Lawak-lawak talaga guys ng mga daan dito sa Chicago area guys. Chicago, Illinois. We're going to pass this Gulf Road and then that's our destination na, the Royal Buffet. Eat all you can yan guys. Napakalapit lang natin.
The Burlington. Laki-laki.
Yeah, it's never been there. Hindi pa ako nakapasok dyan.
Anong taman na? Go there after.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow.
Maraming tao siguro
This is
dito
my
guys.
first time eating in Royal Buffet.
Sure.
Wala.
May exhibition siguro siya.
Magpapark muna kami.
Yeah, I'm going to choose
There's
a...
a lot of people. How about over there? Closer over there. You probably like drop us off.
Sabay na tayo. Let's go together. Dito? Can we park here? Okay, let's park here.
Yan ang Royal Buffet. Sushi Seafood Buffet. So, masarap talaga dito. No? Look at that. Papa is there. Pa-picture to. Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, thank you. Wow, look at that. Oh, thank you. It's a long line.
Okay guys, we're here.
29, 29,
28!
29.
Asa di kami?
28!
Guys, nandito na kami sa ano, sa
We're here
buffet.
inside the Royal Buffet. Royal
It's a long
Buffet.
line. There's a lot of people here. Look.
Yeah, daming tao guys.
29. One more time. 29.
Ang dami. They're still calling the name.
34.
I mean, the number. You have to ask the number in the receptionist.
You have a number.
So we're 37. And there's a
Yan
lot of
guys,
people
makikita
there.
nyo na guys.
Yeah, there's a lot of people lining up. But you have to get the number first. And they're gonna call the number. And if it's your turn, then you can go enter. And they'll...
Kasi weekend kasi ang daming pumapasok at yeah, makain.
Sky, oh.
Sprite?
Sprite?
Yeah.
Sprite.
Okay. Thank you.
Actually, sir, Coke.
Oh, okay.
Or either like Pepsi.
Okay. Dili ka. Siguro, paong nila.
Okay, guys. We're going to get our food.
Yeah, we're going to get our food. Guys, ito na po yung kakainin namin.
Yeah, mga sweets dito. So, hindi talaga dito muna. But this is all the sweets.
You can see the plate. Yeah, you'll get that one.
Yeah. Got a lot of food dito. Oh, there's a lot of food. Buti na lang, dito na lang kami nagpunta. Wow. There's a lot of food dito. Hindi lang kami makakain ng ganito mga sushi. Pero siguro mga pagkain, eat all you can. Yeah, I cannot eat this, but ito guys, ang dami talagang ng pagkain. Naku. We have sushi bar. Mga fish talaga ito. Mga fish ng salad. Naku, ang dami talagang pagkain. Ito mga sushi. Daming pagkain. Naku, hindi tayo ano dito, maka-diet. Wala nang diet. Ang dami. Ito mga fresh. Yeah. Ano ba ito dito? Yeah, sushi talaga ito. May mga hindi lang kami makakain. But, yeah, actually, this is all you can. So, all you can eat. Dito may magluluto pa sa'yo. Gusto ka magluluto. Magpili ka lang siguro ng mga meat dito. Tapos, sila na talaga mag-cook para sa'yo. Yeah. Ay, naku. Yeah. You have to get something and then sila na magluluto sa iyo. That's totally busy. Spicy chicken. Ito ko yung fish na lang sa akin. Ito masarap talaga. Oh, my goodness. Rib. Short rib. Hindi na mag-diet. Kasi, ano to? Salmon. May salmon pa talaga sila. Ito, masarap ito na fish. Gusto mo talaga to. Yeah. Oh, nandito si Papa Joy.
Hi guys! Ito na guys! Ayan.
Ang pala.
Si Sky, bigyan natin.
May short ribs to too.
Naman, oh, sige.
Oh.
Sige.
Pagkuha na lang dada si Sky, dili kami. You can go back. You can go back, yeah.
Yeah.
Ang daka, it's a lot of food. Oh. Paano na to? Hindi na tayo maka... Ay, papadoy.
Dito, dito.
Hindi na lang tamo eat sa akong kuan. Ayan.
Puhon.
Okay, guys. Yeah, he loves this one. Sorry. Yum. Kinuha ko lang yung yung fish kasi may beef, short ribs, sarap. Pero huwag kang ka ng rice kasi all you can eat, baka mabusog ka right away. Sky likes this one. Sky ka.
Puhon.
Nakain na lang siya dili eh. Di na lang kapapad... Ay, di na lang. Sama natin pag...
Sige lang. It's okay.
Ano, lamit kayo gano'n. Napatay po na.
Okay, fish. Napag yung fish na nakuha niyo ko.
Guys, hindi ako nakuha ng rice kasi madali lang ako mabusog.
Yeah.
Sa pagkaon dito pa ba yun?
You like it?
This is my first time.
Yeah. Guys, isda guys yung tinarget ko. Ice cream. Ice cream. Yay.
I like that. I get to reach. Bye-bye.
Makadawat dito ako sa pang...
Guys, babalik ako. May part talaga ako na I forgot to show it to you. Because there's a lot of people. So, to watch out yourself. Baka magbangga ka. Ang dami talagang tao. Kaya ito, yung mga soup ito. Naku, mag-food pa ako. Nabubusog na talaga ako.
Пойдем посмотрим еще, что там есть.
Yeah, I forgot to show it to you, this one. Yeah. Ito ang mga sweets. Isabaw pa ito eh. Mga ano to, mga sweets din. So, there's a lot of people. Yung mga, ano ba yan? I don't know what to get. I don't know what they're putting here. So I cannot eat the whole thing. Magla-line sila dito ang haba ng linya kasi they're gonna go to the like sushi, bachi, seafood. Nagluluto sila din. Yung fresh talaga. Naku, maraming pagkain. Magluluto pa sila. But, yeah. There's a lot of people. Yeah, it's... Nandito pa, nandun pa sa sulok ko. Yeah, dito kami. Iwan ko kung anong kinuha ko. Ikaw, pagkuha ito ba doon?
Yeah.